Hi, my name is Brad. I'm an electrician and I'm a property investor as well. I'm on the academy, yeah. Been there on the academy 18 months now.
How's it going?
Yeah, love it. Love every second.
What's the best bit about the academy?
Cool, there's many. Networking, events like this, the mentoring calls, the Monday night masterminds, everything. The inner circles, there's lots.
Amazing. Tell me a bit more about the mentoring. How are they?
So you can get a mentoring call pretty soon, probably that same day, maybe even the next day. Any questions you have in property, you can ask them straight away. Speak to your mentor, speak to your favourite mentor, the same mentor about the same subject, and it just brings clarity.
Amazing. And tell me a bit about your business. How's the academy helped your business?
Yeah, so I've got buy-to-lets already before I joined the academy. I've gone into rent-to-rents. Me and my partner have sold a few deals, concentrating on deal selling at the moment. We're looking to buy our own property to live in, and potentially do a BRR on that. So yeah, it's about growing the portfolio, investing, networking, and pushing everyone higher and higher.
Amazing. Final question for anyone who is thinking about going to Spanish, what would you say?
Just jump for it, go for it. I was sceptical at first. If you don't try it, you'll never know.